Class stand. We are standing up. Greetings. Good day to all Sierra Leoneans. Whatever will say you there. This is the program called Love Salon and Left by that. Me where they talk to Unamina Adebayo. Me people in the salon today, the 14th of December 2021. Me people today, I got a very important message for Una again. And I can always tell Una say, if we sleep, we wake, nothing not happen. Now we tell Papa God thank you. The people in the salon today, I got two messages for Una again. Mumpo make but and Tuna no send a story with the pool. We go continue for pull the story where people that want for you. And we go continue for say the things that where people that want for know. And Tuna no say, now we get the man them inside the man them. Sierra Leoneans, today na a brand new day. Today na a brand new Tuesday. I want to call on every Sierra Leonean. Today, my message is for APC. Today, my message is for this government within a power. And today, my message not the band a trade talk. But I want to start by APC. I want to start by the other political party that will come together when I end COP. You know, if we prepare for Paul Madabio, and also we prepare. But you know one thing, this is the time for make we stop the intimidation. Now make I always tell you, I say for anything when they want to do, then they plan them, they execute them. Today, only when they don't team up for the facts, then they intimidate them now for make the other people afraid. Then they intimidate and cop now for make other people afraid. Then they intimidate the political leaders now for make the other people afraid. But now guess what? The hypocrisy na imboku today na APC. The hypocrisy. But one thing today we want to remember every Sierra Leonean. Remember when Madabio come and take power because they know how they come to power. What did Madabio do? It intimidates it makes sure say it muscle the police, a muscle the soldier, a muscle the judiciary, a muscle the parliament, a muscle the opposition, a muscle religious council, a muscle journalist them, a muscle civil society, a muscle activist them, a muscle the radio station there, and make sure say a muscle the musician them, a muscle everywhere. But God said you go muscle all side, but one year side you not go able for muscle. Now it make this now a shock to them. They not ever believe say the post will perfect them. Not to salon in the day. They not ever believe say me go able to defeat and fight like how I fight them so. Today God don't make we don't see the light at the tunnel. Today God don't make we don't pass breathe in space. Let we self make of we opportunity what they get. Madabio, they make use of any opportunity we get, they make use of them. Madabio make sure say it muscle everybody in the country. Right? Today, Madabio make sure say it muscle. Now God in blessing. Where today we they expose them. Where today are they expose them day by day, minute by minute. Where make today we reach, also we reach so we end them today. Now they never force census by people them. Because people are saying no, they don't do it. So the leaders them today, we stand for that. We are the time for intimidate them. For that, any by this cause. But I want to make one thing clear today to APC. And we don't say this word. We are all kind bullets them everywhere. But I want to salon people they forget. The first thing where God puts for me na endurance. The second thing where God puts for me na patience. You know, I know how for fight this fight. And I sabi how for fight this fight. And I understand how for fight this fight. Somebody know they understand what they say now. And they tell Salon people, you were not prepared for 2023. Take the back seat. Madabio make sure say he use people inside the APC for disturb the peace of APC, for distract the direction of the party, so he go able for do what they do so. And not say if the APC not get no problem at the political party, all the bad party the way they do so, they're not going to do one because one they not say na yanda APC they concentrate, but they willfully use the APC. Then they use them as tools for disturb, for divert the people that were inside APC their attention, so they go able for get what they want, then go able for pursue what they want for pursue. This is them tactic. 3 months ago, I tell Salon people them say the Lebele people them inside the APC, they affiliate group they are. Begin the way, in the social media, they make video them. They are the other problem na APC, but not all them all, but 65% of them na the problem na APC today. Because today, Lebele, no they give them chance. Lebele, they make them, they divert their attention. Lebele, they make them, they do things they were not for do. Lebele, they're not able to make people and focus at the party. I've been telling Salon people them say the problem na social media, and I can always tell the people of Sierra Leone say Adebayo go stand no side stand so, and every day I they make my position clear. Say another APC, another SLPP. Me na a voter, me na a Sierra Leonean, me na love Salon media. If you love Salon, you go be me paddy. If you love Salon, you go be me brother. If you love Salon, you go be me mama. You go be me papa. What's you love Salon? Somebody that they understand what they tell people them there. One of the baddest federal inside APC, and this vice president thing. When I end up and distract the party again today. But let me tell you now something. Diana Konomami yesterday go to a police station. They invite them. Women's them, then join them. Come on, them people and come, then join them. Right? The shock where I shock. Where make us say, the APC need for step up. The APC need for stand up. When you want to be politician, you not for afraid jailiyard. When you want to be politician, you not for be panic into anything. Right? Yesterday, over 50 people have sent to me one great video. Where one part of this video, where this bobo they talk. This woman, they're going to police. People in the escorts are going to police. That's fine. It's a very good thing. But the statement that this bobo they make, they want to intimidate her. Because now the running mates, nobody know will stop him. Now gonna be the running mate, this, that, blah, blah. That. Talk all kinds of talk them. Now that's not the plan. Now that's then go for the police. Then the thing will amazing for make them all over 15 people. Diana Konomami then go bail her. He left feminine day. He go na in house. He go sleep na in house. Una like one too, it's dishonest to them. It's dishonest to the one that we go support them yesterday. No! Let me stop this nonsense. When you go with people, then only you when are the leader where they go with. If they go then bail you, make them clear, say, I know they come on here, if them people are there, let them lock me all together. But by you, Diana, go na your house, go sleep. Feminine day, na cell. Then sleep like, carry them go Benghazi. Who scared more than commit for let them carry them go Benghazi? Who scared more than commit for making take them to Benghazi? Who scared more than commit? Because me na ya to me own knowledge of Benghazi. Right? Me na ya to me own knowledge of Benghazi. Now somebody where don't do bad thing. Maybe they ask her for make it talk and they deny. Now they kind people and then they take they carry go na Benghazi. Who scare more APC people or where any other people in the coming When they go all the carry and go na Benghazi. Guess what for them na CID? Then go take the carry and go na Benghazi. That Benghazi they need for burn and candle. I'm not saying today the unlucky dog they get for carry respond. The will not get blessing they get for carry respond. This two he ask for talk, but I get for talk am. I not fucking care any mommy. But Diana Konomami, right? Woman then go left farm, go escort them, then hold them, you allow them bail you, then you left your company and there, it's undone. This is one part of the thing the way politicians need for stand up. Right? This is one part of the thing and the where politicians, if people and come out for you, stand with the people them. There with the people them. If now you then for free, for make them free, everybody, get there with them. But that particular scene there yesterday, people and go escort you, people and go left you, beat you man them, and for your sake. Yesterday, if I don't prove, say, yes, I go die for me people them, because me people are ready for die for me. Now, when I see that video, where Samurai Kamara pull, say people are going for die for him. No, Samurai. You know they make that statement and they. You not for make that statement and they, Samurai Kamara. If I withdraw that statement and they. No. If I withdraw. Politician them, una all get picking them. Una all get wife them. Una all get family them. Una all. But by you making statements say, I know say una ready for die for me. So because people are ready for die for you. So you want push the leg and go die. No, they use that statement there. You not for use them. Are they against that statement there, Samurai Kamara? No ever in your life use that statement there again. Because for every blood we're shelling in that country, na mama born that person, na papa born that person. If we all they die together, Lord, we die together. If we all they fight together, Lord, we fight together. But by you making that statement, no, Samurai Kamara, as a future leader in that country, you not for talk that word day. Easy. People and they support you. People and there for you. You know, sometimes, these are they go public now, let people understand. Samurai Kamara, you team where you get, you need for structure them. The people where they advise you, you need for structure them. The people where they talk to you, they need for the consult people them. True. The people where they advise you, that video not even need for made. That particular video, not even need for let them video you talk say they cannot cut today. No. You get steam. You get sparrows them. You get people where they talk. They are certain things and then they push you for them. But by you going making that kind of video, you know for make them. If the people elect you, people and they support you, people are ready for facts for you, right? If you make the statement say, tomorrow, okay, are they gonna court? Right? Make your position clear, say, you're not a criminal. You go and defend yourself. That's it. But go beyond, say, I don't say people are ready for die for me. You can't say that word. I don't say he asked for talk. This two asked for talk, but I get for talk. There is nowhere they manage him. They said, tell the devil the truth. They said, speak the truth. Let the devil bear the shame. Right? Today we all see what happened inside the SLPP. When we be the tell the whole international community say, this government gets cutlass at the party office. This government get weapon them. This government, then they do bad. Now then they terrorize people in the country. Now Fatima Bio, don't make them clear to the international community. Say where Ingo Kailao, where see the cutlass there at court. Now in day one night be the member. Right? It said the SLPP don't upgrade by waiting for terrorize. The SLPP don't upgrade by violence. The SLPP don't upgrade. It talk calm. This is not what I talk for again. This is the incessant talk. Now I make that video and we don't take ourselves for send and let the people understand exactly. Say, they are the SLPP. Now then they commit crime. Now then they commit war. Now then they commit terrorist acts. Now then they do everything in the country. These are the videos that what we want for the sea. Right? So if you want the APC, now we all use this one get information, all go, all come. Then economy not get the right for go, even go sleep there. If you sleep, usai then Femi then sleep, usai Kama then sleep. Now they back for sleep. Say for the man they not left everybody where they all like yeah, I know they come here. Now so each and every politician for begin operate for people them. Each and every politician where the APC now so not for operate for people them. And this setback, una need to stop them. Today, them body on the old video phone then they go in video, every candidate or everybody who want porn, then they talk all kind of like talk. The thing that pissed me off now, before the Anna the Bobo team up, they talk in nasty talk them. And I even stop the Bobo say, no. When he and Sane go to this headquarters na police, when then they go, when they want to begin sing, say no census, but Yasane stop them, say no, una sing the victory song, let we go. The reason behind that, not to dande then camper. Now police then come. So by you videoing, they show people and they go show solidarity to Diana Konomami, you not for use any statement where they go against the other people and feelings them. That's for sure. Because people ain't go there because the woman are APC. People ain't go there because she's APC. People ain't go there, some then I support them. That's for sure. Everybody gets embraced. Everybody gets people who will like them. That you know they dispute that. But certain statements, you got to know who say the user. This is not a campaign, this for vice president. Not a vice president talk this. The two way they are annoying me today, when they see all day, people they share flyers then on social media, they share Cherry Coco, they share Diana Konomami, they share by Mahmoud, they share this one be share. Where the party not commemorate the court. The main focus of everybody now in the APC, let the party come on a court. The main focus, how to stop the SLP people doing terrorizing our people. How to stop the courts for doing all the nonsense thing there. Now make sometimes when they watch and Escoma, they say no, they talk. And then tear all it don't get sweet. Now they are lucky tear all it don't get sweet. Now they still there, nothing no structure. If you not to honest areas, and nothing on the way structure on APC right now. Nothing on the way structure. This is the fact that they tell you now. Because I know, when they give the SLPP confidence small, now because, oh, they are today, the 14th, 2021, when January reach the show, we get Allah. January 2022, now the telling they know say a month now left for them. Now the telling they know. Right? How they go all people there because they go left somebody who's crime where Femi go commit. It's high time for everybody, whether a cop, whether NGC, whether C4C, whether any political party, from now to Friday, if you don't release them people there, yeah. Now we storm the streets. Now we storm the CID, Benghazi, all the side State House, Parliament, all the side there where them above. Now we storm their office today. Nobody not go work again. These are the decisions and they are now for take. And when we take out, we do not take time. Pass Madam will go now before everybody go now in house. If you don't wire, they don't release them people there till Friday. Then go get the hell out of Sierra Leoneans them. Until now they don't begin beat AYV reporter. Look yesterday, then they fire tear gas. A whole policeman they talk back say, this crowd too small to make them fire tear gas. Began the threat to the highest degree. Now they don't begin attack the Minister of Lands. Now so we can begin attack the one. And very soon they begin station in another country. Very soon we begin your station in another country. For that Lima, they open they tell people who they arrest anybody when not go for the census. Like anybody will go for go country. Anybody will go for go country now. Public mistake, public correction. We say no census. If the mother be honest, them born them good again. If the mother be honest, them born them, they can them born them, they buy you. They do any nasty again in that country there. Now what they don't do, because the people instead they know what census, now they don't put police soldier man in a treat. Say that they go ask for face mask. Now soldier man get the right for kind of treat for go ask for face mask. Now, should a man for the go and tell people and say, wear face mask? No! Europe now, you know, they see policemen or soldier man and teeth, but they're nasty than they. When they don't make announcements, say when you want to go on a public transport, you forget face masks. When you want to go inside train, you forget face masks. When you want to go to restaurants, you forget face masks. When you want to enter any office, you forget face masks. That are the restrictions the way they put. That are the restrictions the way they put. You know they can't send me office if you don't get face masks. You know they can't send me shop if you don't get face masks. You know they can't send me motorcar if you don't get face masks. And everybody they go by the rules. How you gonna put soldier man in a teeth because you want to make people in panic? Freetonians, now we get the game. Now we start everything on them. This is the time for make we start everything on them. Now they don't protect their family and they send them overseas. They don't protect their pikin and they send them overseas. Right? Sierra Leone need for stand up. Sierra Leone need for fight. Who's kind nasty this? The party they pardon a court. The party no idea to go convention. Then tell me how no all for come together. Let this case come on a court. Then Ibrahim Bundu they now we not begin beat them for knowing and doing. Then Sylvia Blythe we not begin beat them for knowing and doing. Then Messi said we not begin beat them for knowing and doing. Then Sam Smona they will not begin beat them for knowing and doing. The bad people where they pull on a party because all this nonsense. The day APC will not come together, will not move on. All that nonsense they are where some people they do so they know they do them. And Benghazi, it don't know we book. Where now Benghazi all the time then they use for intimidate people them. Now Benghazi all the time then they use for beat people them. When they not commit that crime, they wait for make the crime then go Benghazi. It's high time for make we pink camp Benghazi done. Thank on a book feel today. Benghazi for calm down, for calm down. And if we not take time, police headquarters if we not take time. If we not take time, we don't back. What's kind of nasty this? People are not perfect for political goals. People are not perfect for make angry done in that country. They will know they go and make them video them. Now, this label, this top up, because somebody they give money for buy top up, you don't fool. When they go and talk all kind of talk them. Let anyone respond to me where they talk. Let anyone, when they say them burn them, let respond to me. This are nonsense. This are nonsense. Maybe even then are not even conscious of what you they talk self. But just because you want for Lebele, just because we are there for Alaki, Diana, now the next vice president, they even the intimidator, this, that, blah, 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 Alaki talk there. Una stop this nonsense. Cherry Coco, this is the time for make you stand up the parliament. This is the time for make you fight for the people. Not to Ben talk again anymore. It's straightforward talk over there for now. It's straightforward talk. You get all the connection, you get all the link. Make use of the office. Everybody go grumble, everybody go say this, everybody go say that. It's time for make you step up. It's time for make you show leadership. You not talk Bobo again from politics of that country. You not talk Pekin again from politics of that country. You not talk somebody where they gone again by that country. Right? Now, when you check the two best, for me, the two best opposition leader in another country, now let's go my SBB Doumbouya. Cherry Coco, you don't learn from SBB Doumbouya. You don't learn from that Lakim Pikiwen and they call Ibrahim Bundu. You don't learn, you don't be deputy speaker. You know everything in parliament. You know everything where they happen. Stand up. Stand up. You get the power. You know, member na ECOWAS. You tell them where SBB do where they be there ECOWAS parliament. Then nonsense there how they happen. So now enough for they happen. Because you get the might, you get the power for talk wetin for talk there. This alpha fetch party, e no dey solve problem. E no dey solve. The party dem na court. The lawyer dem back na 5% that they correct. All the other one na kill them. The APC lawyer them, all the other one na only 5% that they correct. The other one all na kill them. Now me say so me Adebayo. Because they know exactly what they happen. Some of them they sell game. Some of them they sell game and we don't talk this word. Some of them, if you don't like they give them water, they swear to God, some of them they sell game. Because enough is enough. The lawyers, they know the law in that country. That woman will be there as leader for lawyer them. Where you know ever been, una see her, they talk what you want for talk, they post what you want for post, they write what you want for write. Una know the law, una sabi the law. Una they allow them to bend the law for una. Some of una they lawyer them there. When government change, una they go school back. Some of una they go school back. True. When I make them, me not lawyer. What are the bullshit where they happen in the country? Look at the bullshit where they happen in the country. Then they intimidate people and day by day. Una all some of una will begin run after una. The party need for pen count professional lawyers them. The party need if na international lawyer they say una go pay them let them come. Una make them the legal team. For that legal team that swear to God una scream am. Beaucoup people in there where they sell game. Beaucoup people in there because some of them want be secretary general, some of them want be PRO, some of them want be this, some of them all want position at the party. So they get it on the hand game the way in the fet. Some of them they want be flag bearer. This are the nasty thing this. But 4 years, 3.5 years, on a court, no better thing on the see. Now so unlucky now they see, but what's in the fet? What's they do no money for? When I make legal team, legal me all. What's kind nasty this, boy? Look at the advantage when they go on at the country. Country, na case for go arrest. If somebody make statement and for go for that. What if Femi do then? And because that because they just suffer people saying at Tamatiscope that now the time for say cup not useful in the country. So political party them. This is the time for make una pull on people in the door. And the leader in the also. Because family call the leader. Why they hold? Why they put on a cell? Why they for can't go Benghazi? Why? Now total political party them. Everybody for come out now though. Let them Benghazi can down. No compromise with that Pikia. Fatima Biona not take go buy motor car when a bulletproof. You know how many $1,000 it cost? Over $300,000. Now that woman go put spam motor car so. Salon people and then they rejoice. That they go and talk all kind of lucky talk there. When they tell them for and can down. But it's time they fit clock. One day. Now Fatima Biona don't take all the away going and picking it all England now. They don't salon again, no. Fatima picking it, no the salon again. And don't take the all and then England, I'm going to Dubai, the Paul salon money. Madam, you're picking it, no the salon again. Then no the salon again. Una check the minister them. Abo we picking it the Cyprus. Who they meet them, they let them know worry. Who they meet them, they sabi them. Who sabi them, all them picking outside the day. Right? IG don't take your picking them back, you don't send them overseas. The people in another country, they never suffer. Now we left the cell game. Now we left the lebele. Now we left the lucky things them. Udana Lima. Udana Madabio. For like a whole country to whole stage. Police are not for talk. Even if the policeman talk to you, they go torture her. So the man talk to you, they go torture her. What's kind of nasty this? What's kind of government this, bro? What's kind of nasty this? If we not begin all ministers, they will kill them. If we not begin all them picking their wife, they will kill them. If we not begin all set example for them, I swear to God, they know they stop this alaki. If they don't be careful in the first census, we That people that see that castle na Kamakwe, well, because I don't say they go for issuing arrest. That day another one day down. But una the Kamakwe people of una allow the arrest now na Ebule. That castle day, of una allow the arrester. Right? When the people then they go up in the mama they say na Kamakwe una now una stand them for them and go put up assessors. That tablet to them na there una point na the hand. Anybody we go na house na 12 one matter pan una boil water put na house. Anybody we go na una don't eat. Una don't eat. For them go come to una don't eat. It's kind of nasty this. AYV. And to them begin beat una, would they begin burn una AYV would they down. AYV Junior Navo, and all that worry you know worry no more. You don't go get pissed, you die. Me and the boy, what do I empire you so you never get pissed, you die. Get your guys pass you and hey blood pull them. The last person now super. You black people me na the last person. Junior Navo. If you not me na me get for you, Junior Navo. Then gentle them. Me and the talent you now all we don't destroy that country. Madam, if you don't na me the Fatima, if you don't na me the Lima, if you don't na me the me I must come for now. Swear to God to this line. I must go jail for now. Every day I dey talk with stupidity. Now them picking there. Una still on the country, una they go and terrorize people them. Una they go and arrest people them. For wetin? What's kind of nasty this? The same policeman them. When they use gun and intimidate people them so now that same gun them don't go for use power now. That same policeman there, where una they use for people them so today. Now that same policeman will go for use power now. This same court where una use for humiliate people them. Now this same court will go for use power now. This same anti-corruption where una use for disgrace people them. Now this same anti-corruption will go for use power now. That same soldier maya una use. Now that same soldier maya we go for use power now. Una mark me word. Una mark me word what they tell una so. The same people that una use for intimidate, for killing people, for long people, so. Now that same people are going for use power now. Now that same gun here, that same tear gas here, now we go for use power now. If it got agree. I know say one time we for campaign or I put gonna shout this. Hey, we are vote for it. We are not vote for APC card and go this. We they do nobody not to the southeast. Now una we commit to a crime. Now they run after. Una we do na do. Now they run after. I don't tell una say na me una get case. I tell me una to APC. Now me una. Now me una get case. And that country there. Who's kind of nasty this? SLPP, they just go arrest people there. Fatima be the work guy want to the country. We are not sabi set tire for an athlete. We are not sabi cut the road pan where they go. Where they work guy is on a cut the road pan and put stone them behind back and forth and stone them. Sky unlucky this. They not forget peace. But una mark me word January to June. Una mark me word. Una get for see what they happen. Una get for see the film we get for playing at that country there. Very soon, una get for understand what they talk. They will know the APC. Not get anybody again, whether it's WhatsApp, they share flyer them where convention time no reach it. Not get anybody again, and they begin costume on mama then. Now time this for share flyer on WhatsApp or Facebook. No, not all the time this said. If una want for go convention, if una want for kind of power 2023, una go pull una case first na court, una go win una case first na court, una come and organize una house. Because all that last thing where people they see them, where people know they get zeal for common ado. All that rubbish all the episode, them people they know they get zeal for common ado. Because if una get one, like when they invite Diana, so everybody come out. When they all one person, then they all una all. But all already, as they all 4-5 people and so all my own go na house. As they all 4-5 people and so all my own go na house, then 5 people and they go jail now, then they suffer. Now the same way back, they go Kemo Kabade. Now the same way back, they go Kweta there. The same courts they go Ole. So this therefore stop. When they all one person, let them open Padema, let them arrest all man. Let them arrest all man. But they go arrest 4 or 5 people, and all man won't go in the house. Then Diana go sleep in the house. People that will come out, we go left, we go show solidarity. They sleep na Benghazi. Whose kind of nonsense this? These are complete nonsense to the highest degree. It's high time. Let everybody fuck off na house and go. Na CID. Let everybody come out and go na Benghazi. If they don't go left them. If they don't left them, waiting for Bilal B. Waiting for Bilal B. The nonsense too much. They are lucky too much, but the bokut. Who's kind of nasty this? But time go fit clock one day. Time go fit clock one day. This na my message. Una stay blessed and God bless Sierra Leone.